Hi, it's Camille with POSguys.com. Today we're taking a look at two mobile receipt printers by Star Micronics. We have the S200, which is a 2-inch printer, and we have the S300, which is a 3-inch printer. These are both good for mobile concessioning or for food trucks, maybe trade shows, very good for point of sale on the go. I'm going to go over some of the features of the S200, which is the 2-inch printer. You can open it by pulling on that tab right there. As you can see, the LCD screen lights up to let you know that something's going on and that the printer's not going to run because it's open. The roll drops in and out like a regular receipt printer, and you close it just by pushing it tight. Like any standard receipt printer, it has a tear bar for removing the receipt, and you can feed it if you need to. It just comes off like that. You have your function button right there and your feed button, your on-off switch, your power port, and your serial port. Back here you can see the battery. Battery comes out really easy. This printer is actually really light. It's under a pound. Easy to put in a pocket if you want to. It has a case for carrying around. It also has an optional magnetic stripe reader built into the side of the printer, but it will take some custom development to get that functioning. The SMS300 has some obvious differences. It has a wider print width of 3 inches, so your standard receipt size. Has your tear bar, but it also does not have the LCD screen, so you're not going to have your error messages displayed, or if the Bluetooth mode is working correctly, you're not going to have that up there for you to see. But it does have the feed button and your function button. Otherwise, it's really similar. You open up the receipt paper by pushing those two buttons on the side. You can pull the receipt paper out, drop it in to load it back up, and just shut this, and it'll be ready to go again. It has power on indicators and error indicators right there. Magnetic stripe reader, which, like the SMS200, will take custom development to get that functioning. You have the battery on the back here. Comes up like that. Pretty easy. And then you have your power on-off switch, your power source for your charging cable, that's your port right there, and your serial port is right there. We have Proxys Store Manager opened up. It's running on Windows 7 and a PartnerTech tablet. If I tender this transaction, it will print down here to the SMS300. Conveniently, because it's printing 3 inches, you won't have to do any special formatting to get this to work with most software. So right now we have the SMS200 linked up to the ET1 tablet. We're running some demo software to print receipts, to format it correctly for 2 inches. So I print the receipt, and it comes out from the SMS200. This is running on an Android operating system, by the way. You can see that it's printing graphics as well as barcodes and all your standard text. We're going to do another test print, and we're using a smartphone with Android. Print the receipt, and it comes out from the SMS200. Both of these printers have a 1-year warranty. They're only available in these colors, so black. They have serial Bluetooth interfaces and work with Android or Windows platforms, but you will need to have software that is compatible with the printers, so you'll need to check with your developers or your software beforehand. If you would like more information or to purchase either of these printers, please contact us at POSguys.com.